There's a saying that perfectly reflects the value of industrial technology. Technology only creates value when it helps people work better. Over the years, the woodworking industry has seen remarkable technological advancements. Yet despite these innovations, the SSM 1800H automatic feeding 5-axis CNC tenoning center from QUOC continues to be a trusted choice for many furniture manufacturers. Because the true value of a machine isn't measured by how many functions it has, it's measured by how effectively it solves your production challenges. Think of a Formula One race car. It isn't built for every road, but on the racetrack, it's engineered to win. The SSM 1800H follows the same philosophy. It isn't designed to be an all-purpose 5-axis CNC machining center for complex 3D applications. Instead, it is a dedicated automatic tenoning center specifically optimized for manufacturing chair legs, chair rails, table frames, cabinet components, bed frames, and a wide range of solid wood furniture parts. Its compact footprint makes it easy to integrate into factories of different sizes, maximizing production capacity while minimizing valuable floor space. The automatic feeding system keeps production running continuously, reducing idle time between machining cycles, improving machine utilization, and minimizing dependence on manual labor. Another feature often misunderstood is its point-to-point programming system. Some consider it outdated. However, for many furniture manufacturers, especially small and medium-sized factories and workshops transitioning from manual production to CNC automation, it is actually a significant advantage. Operators don't need advanced 3D CAM programming skills. They don't need years of CNC experience. Point-to-point programming is easier to learn, faster to train, and allows operators to become productive in a much shorter time, an important benefit in today's shortage of skilled CNC programmers. That's exactly why, after many years on the market, QUOC's SSM 1800H automatic feeding 5-axis CNC tenoning center continues to earn the trust of manufacturers worldwide. Not because it does everything, but because it does one job exceptionally well. With competitive investment costs, stable performance, and proven reliability in hundreds of woodworking factories, the SSM 1800H delivers outstanding long-term value. SSM 1800H isn't a 5-axis CNC for every application. It's a 5-axis CNC engineered to maximize tenoning productivity. Contact QUOC today to discover the right automatic tenoning solution for your factory.